Good morning students. In this class we are going to learn about graphical representation of linear inequalities. Listen the procedure. A straight line ax plus by is equal to c divides the Cartesian plane into two parts. Each part is an half plane. You see the figure, half plane. A vertical line x equal to c will divide the plane in left and right half planes, and a horizontal line y is equal to k will divide the plane into upper and lower half planes. Greater than, less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal. These are the inequalities used in the graphical representation. Listen, use a dotted line to show that the inequality is less than or greater than. This indicates that the line does not contain any solutions. Next line is solid line. Solid line to show that the inequality is less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. This indicates that the line does contain some of the solutions. Okay, understand the two lines, dotted line and the solid line. Dotted line is less than or greater than, but a solid line is less than or equal or greater than or equal. Given in this question we used these lines. Listen, I will explain one example sum. Example 2.28. Shade the region given by the inequality x greater than or equal to. X greater than or equal to is, what are the numbers you select? In the x-axis, you write 1, 2, 3, 4, up to etc. Here also you can write negative value, minus 1, minus 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, up to etc. Okay. Here negative values, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, up to etc. The question is x greater than or equal to. X greater than or equal to is x value is 2, 3, 4, up to etc. So we include 2. Here the given the inequality is greater than or equal. So we use solid line or dotted line. Solid line. So x equal to 2, this line. X equal to 2. The shaded part is coming right side or left side, you find it. The given term is x greater than or equal to. X greater than or equal to is x value is 2, 3, 4, up to etc. So you shade the right side of the line. Shade the right side of the line. This is the shaded region of the graph. Okay. Listen the next question. Example 2.29. Shade the region given by the linear inequality x plus 2y greater than 3. X plus 2y greater than 3. First we consider x plus 2y is equal to 3. We use this equation, complete one tabular column. Tabular column very easy. Substitute first x equal to 0. Next step you substitute y is equal to 0. If you substitute x equal to 0 in this equation, we get the y value is 3 by 2. Listen, if you substitute x equal to 0, so x plus 0 is equal to, substitute x equal to 0. So 0 plus 2y is equal to 3. So 2y is equal to 3. Then y value is 3 by 2. This like you complete next value, substitute y value is 0. If you substitute y place 0, then x equal to 3. So this is the 2 points, 0, 3 by 2 and 3, 0. You plot these 2 points on the graph. Draw the graph and plot the points. Here 0, 3 by 2 and this point is 3, 0. We join these 2 points and draw the line. The line is, see the inequality greater than 3. Greater than 3 is, you use dotted line or solid line. Dotted line. Okay. So we use the dotted line and complete the graph. So this line equation is x plus 2y greater than 3. X plus 2y greater than 3. Then the shaded part is above or below of the graph. You find it above or below. Any one of the value take and substitute in the equation. This equation is satisfied, you shaded that part. Otherwise another part you shade it. Here we take it 4, 5 or any one of the values substitute here. Okay, substitute 4 comma 0 in this equation, because this after point 4 comma 0 in the number line, so you substitute 4 comma 0. If you substitute 4 comma 0 is 4 plus 2 into 0 is equal to, we get 4. The inequality is 4 greater than 3. The inequality is satisfied because 4 greater than 3. So we shaded above on the number line. Just shade it this part. Okay, this is the shaded part. Okay, this is the graph. Okay, we use the pencil and shade, otherwise draw the line. Listen the next question. Example 2.30. Solve the linear inequalities and exhibit the solution set graphically. Listen, x plus y greater than or equal 3, 2x minus y less than or equal 5, and minus x plus 2y less than or equal 3. So you consider the equations x plus y is equal to 3, 2x minus y is equal to 5, and minus x plus 2y is equal to 3. Complete the tabular columns. First you take the equation x equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Substitute in the first equation. If you substitute x equal to 0, we get the y value is 3. And substitute y is equal to 0, we get the x value is 3. And the second equation, substitute x equal to 0, we get minus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to minus 5. And y is equal to 0, then 2x is 5, then y value is 5 by 2. And here substitute x equal to 0, 2y is 3, then y is equal to 3 by 2. And y is equal to substitute 0, so minus x equal to 3, then we get my x value is minus 3. So you plot all the points on the graph. Substitute 0, 3 and 3, 0 on the number line. So we get this straight line, x plus y greater than or equal 3, greater than or equal. So we use the solid line. Okay, so this is the graph of x plus y greater than or equal 3. Next you plot the points 0, minus 5 and 5 by 2, 0 on the graph. We get the line, this line. Okay, this is the point 0, minus 5, and this is the point of 5 by 2, 0. Join these two lines and draw the line. This one also solid line because 2x minus y less than or equal 5. Less than or equal is given. So you take the solid line. Third point is 0, 3 by 2 and minus 3, 0. So we plot these 2 points also in the graph. We get the line. This line. X plus 2y less than or equal 3. 0, 3 by 2 and minus 3, 0 point. So join these 2 points and draw the line. After we shade the region. Okay, listen it. Shaded part. How to find out the shaded region? Listen the equation. X plus y greater than or equal 3. Greater than or equal above or below? Above the number line. So we shaded above the number line. Okay, shaded above the number line. This is the shaded part. Next equation, 2x minus y less than or equal 5. Less than or equal 5, that number line is, see this is the number line, 2x minus y less than or equal 5. So we shaded above or below. Here less than or equal 5. Less than or equal 5, or you substitute any one of the value in that equation, we get the correct answer. Okay. So that the 2x minus y less than or equal 5, this number line. Substitute 1, 0 because the line above having this point 1, 0. So we substitute this point on the equation. So 2x minus y is equal to substitute 1 comma 0. 2 into 1 minus 0. We get 2. 2 is less than or equal 5 or greater than or equal 5. 2 is less than or equal 5 only. The inequality is satisfied. So we draw the shaded part is above on the number line. So this above we can draw the number line. Okay. Next equation. Minus x plus 2y less than or equal 3. Minus x plus 2y less than or equal 3. So we draw above or below. You substitute any one of the point in this equation. The inequality is satisfied. We can draw the shaded part above or below. Okay. So minus x plus 2y. Minus x plus 2y, this number line. So here we take any one of the point. The above or below. Okay. Below is substitute 0 comma 0 or 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0 is C, so you substitute 1 comma 0. Minus x plus 2y. Minus x plus 2y, substitute 1 comma 0. So minus 1 plus 2 into 0, we get 0. Minus 1. So minus 1 is less than or equal 3. Check it. Minus 1 is less than or equal 3. Yes, minus 1 less than or equal 3. So the shaded part is below of the number line. So this is the shaded part. So you find out the solution set. Solution set is graphical method. You find out the solution set. So the three lines are intersecting where the part you find out. This is the part. The 3 lines are intersecting for this side. Okay. So this is the solution set area. Shade it again one more time. Okay. This is the shaded part of the solution. So the above 3 half planes represent the solution set of the given linear inequalities. This is the representation of the solution set. Students,